gets translated into an X, Y, and Z to then form the object that you have. So in this case, we have a laboratory that we call the fabrication laboratory. It's a coordination between Rutgers University in Camden with the Leap Academy Charter School in Camden. It's a charter school that goes from K to 12. And in this laboratory is where we create this object. So we have about 7 3D printers, and we create objects for the school and for the community. So this is one of the ideas that you can see, and this is how I say it can start changing the status quo. So we have 6th graders, and the idea was to motivate 5 to 8th grader students into STEM. And I think that's what I want to do. I want to motivate students into STEM. I represent a minority. I'm from Puerto Rico, and in Camden, 45% are Latinos. So I want to motivate more of the students into STEM fields. So we expose the student into the Fab Lab. They're looking at this all high-end technology, and we tell them, can you make a table for your toys? They know about how to use this program. In about 1 day, they make a little table. We can 3D print it, and now they can bring it home to play with their toys. That I didn't have in my time. I always dreamed to have this in my time. Now we have 5-year graders doing that in their lab. The lab also had an issue. The students were, pressing the emergency button because it's in a very interesting location. So instead of going to Home Depot and buy a cover, we took the chance, well, let's design a cover. Let's see if this really can do the work. We designed the cover. Again, we draw it in Inventor. We change it again to the MakerBot 3D printers. Now we have a cover that we all self-make. We don't need to go Home Depot and buy the cover that they want to sell to me.